I'm down at my buddy's shop and I'm going to show you how he sharpens mower blades. He sharpens probably 1,000 a year or more. He feels he's got the quickest and best way to do that, so I want to show you how he does it. And it's quick, easy, and he gets the exact angle that he wants. Does it for a couple landscape companies, says it works great, and wanted to share it with you. Here we go. First thing he does is he set up this table, nothing fancy, and he cut a groove in it right here. So he gets just the right angle that he wants for the blade for setup. Then he sets the blade in there. He's got a bolt. Puts the bolt through the middle hole of the blade.
If you got a bigger hole.
Yep, you got a bigger blade, bigger hole in the blade, use a bigger bolt. And he takes some vice grips, locks it down, puts the safety goggles on. Now he's working off a flat angle, and he likes the wood because you put it in a bench vise, you don't get that angle, and you get a lot of vibration.
Quick and easy.
Now some people might say, what about balancing the blade? What do you say to that?
Okay, I try to cut the same amount off of both sides. If you got one with a big notch out of it and you have to cut it deeper, you need to cut the other side equally. Now if you really think it might be out of balance, you can set it on this bolt. Set it right here and see if it's in balance.
Beautiful. And do you have problems with vibration on the mowers?
None whatsoever. Never have a problem, especially with heavy-duty mowers. Never have a problem with vibration. If a blade's bent, I throw them away.
And you get a lot of those.
A lot of those.
He's got one landscape company, they mow solar farms.
One other thing is, you take the least off that you can to make it sharp. You want it sharp, so you gotta get them sharp, but take the least off as you can, and the blades last longer. Wings always go to the top. car lift always makes it easier.
Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.